Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get monetized on Rumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So getting monetized on Rumble is actually easier than any other platform. So what you have to do is, first thing first, you simply have to sign up for your Rumble account and proceed to complete your bio information and set up your Rumble video channel. Right, once you have submitted to that, then you're gonna go to your account settings to find the monetization option and click in the join partner program. So there are two things. One is in the payment section, there is a PayPal as the payment method, so your money is gonna be going and deposit there. Add in your PayPal account information and connect that. Then the next thing is you have to join the partner program. Unlike other video sharing platform, you do not need a specific number of followers or views to be qualified. It's that easy for this. Simply fill out the necessary details required for the partner program, including your payment information as I mentioned. Select your account preference and pick a licensing option for your videos. By following the step, you will be able to monetize your account on Rumble and join a community of creators on the platform to earn more. So now you have to make sure that you have a creators account made. If you want to make a business account, then that will cost you some money for the ad-free videos play as well. So that is the way for you to simply start getting paid. And Rumble does not require a certain amount of followers or subscribers. You just have to make good engagement videos, good reviewers and everything, and that will start making you money. And you can also pay with the ads as well. So for that, you have to go to the partnership terms. Go that, and then you will also be able to get paid for the ad showing as well. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.